Welcome guys. Today we are going to discuss about the prime numbers. Prime numbers are those numbers which have only two factors, 1 and itself. 1 and itself has two factors. Or you can say the number divided by itself and 1. The number divided by itself and 1. 1 is not a prime number. Everybody know that. So we can say 2, 3, if we have some numbers here, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on. As 1 is not prime number, so we just ignore the 1. So we start from the 2. So 2 has only two factors, 2 and 1. So that's why it's a prime number. 3 have two factors, 1 and 3. So 3 also is a prime number. 4 have 1, 2, and 4. So it is not a prime number. 5, 1 and 5, yes, it is also prime number. According to the definition, the prime numbers are which have only two factors, 1 and itself. So 5 also not a prime number. Similarly, check this one, 1, 2, 3, and 6. No, it's also not a prime number because it has four factors. Go for the next, 7. We have 1 and 7. Yes, it is a prime factor. 8. Check 1, 2, 4, 8. No, it's not a prime number. Let's see the 9. 1, 3, and 9. No, it's not a prime factor. So we follow the definition. Definition is that a number which have only 1 and itself divided by 1 and itself, that is a prime number. Okay, hope you understand. Now let's see if you are given a very big number, like somebody say that tell me the big number. Here these numbers are very easy to find out because we just check their multiples and make them in the factors, so then we can easily find out which number is a prime number and which number is not a prime number. Let's see, if I have a big number, one of then I need to know either it's a prime number or not. So check, is 263 a prime number? Let's see. So go for the procedure. We have two ways to find out either this number is a prime number or not. So take I'm going to give you one of them, a method, like take a square root of this number. Whatever the bigger number you are given, take a square root and you will find it is approximately 16.2. It's approximately 16.2. So the next step, this is the first step. In the first step, you take a square root of the number what you are given and then see what number you found, and then after that, in second step, step number 2, you have to find out those prime number which is less than this number. So those are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and 13. So these are those prime numbers which is less than this number 16.2, which we took from the square root of the given number 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and 13. Then after that, in step number 3, you have to check after dividing the given number by these prime numbers. Check these 263, put all these number over here, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13, and check all the number can 263 divisible by all these number or one of them. If it is, so 263 is not a prime number. But 263 is not divisible by 2, even not by 3, not by 5, not by 7, not by 11, not by 13. You have to check one by one, use the calculator, or it's up to you by manual division. So check this one. So if we check first, divide by this one, so it's not possible. 3 check with this number, not possible. Again 5, no possible. 7, 263 divided by 7, no, not possible. 263 divided by 11, not possible. 263 divided by 13, not possible. So we can say yes, because 260 not divisible by all these prime numbers, so we can say that yes, it is a prime number. Hope you understand about the prime numbers. Thank you very much.